Finding purpose in a foreign land. Arrival. It was a crisp autumn morning in London when Sarah stepped out of Heathrow Airport with her two suitcases and a heavy heart. She had left her cozy home in Sydney, Australia, to take up a job offer in London as a software developer. It was a big decision for her, one that she had taken after much contemplation and anxiety as she boarded the tube to her new apartment. She couldn't help feeling like an outsider. The strange accents, unfamiliar faces, and closed off demeanor of the people around her made her feel homesick for the first time since she left Australia. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. A chance encounter. Sarah's first few weeks in London went by in a blur of work, unpacking, and exploring. She had started to make friends with her co-workers and had even joined a language exchange group to improve her English skill. One day, while wandering around Leicester Square, Sarah bumped into a friendly man on the street. They struck up a conversation, and the man offered to show Sarah around the city. His name was James, and he was an English teacher who had a passion for helping foreigners like Sarah to learn English. Over the next few weeks, Sarah and James became good friends. They would meet up for coffee and chat about their experiences living in different countries. James would patiently explain any idioms or expressions that Sarah didn't understand, and Sarah would teach him about Australian slang, a new challenge. Sarah had been working at her software development job for a few months now, and while she enjoyed it, she felt like there was something missing from her life. She longed for a sense of purpose, a way to give back to the community and make a positive impact. One day, James mentioned that he was looking for volunteers to help out at a local community center teaching English to immigrants and refugees. Sarah jumped at the chance and signed up. Teaching English was a new challenging for Sarah, but she found that she loved it. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. See you soon.